All right, where are we going?
We're going to Cape Lookout National Seashore.
Okay.
We're going to be off the grid for 43 hours.
So we got everything packed up in the truck. We got our food, our water, we got all our supplies to go in there. We have to take a ferry to get to this place.
Yep, it's about 45 minutes ferry ride, and we're going to be on a remote island with nothing.
Nothing? So
nothing. We need to bring everything ourselves.
Well, that sounds like a lot of fun. Let's get to it. Cape Lookout.
Cape Lookout National Seashore. Took us about 5 hours to get here, and it is awesome. We get pretty much this whole place to ourselves, and we get the beach right there, the ocean right there, and we get to camp like right on the beach.
Yeah, so we're on an island.
Yep.
We have to take a ferry to get here. We got a few miles. We can go north and south, so we're gonna probably drive some more and not stay at this particular spot. We're just taking a break, but we're just gonna go check out the rest of the island and find a really good spot to stay at. But there's nobody around. There's probably maybe 10 people, give or take.
And they're all spread out, so we get to enjoy this whole place.
That's right. So let's pack up and drive here in a minute and see what we can find.
Alrighty, let's go. So we're adapting a little bit. We're making pad thai, but with sausage. Because we don't have shrimp or really other easy meat to cook, so we're using sausage as it. Okay. This is the first time I'm doing it, so we'll see how it turns out.
It'll be good. She's a great cook.
I don't think so, but it's gotta be good because we're stuck in the island and we're gonna eat it.
That's right.
You start this one?
I'm your assistant. Mommy, what are you doing? What are you doing? So, it's getting late. Time to open up the tent and get ready for bed here. Got all the straps off. It's real simple. Lift it up. Take off the strap on the side. Don't fall over the refrigerator. There, a little bit. Now it's just getting the ladder situated, and it's all but done. Let's see, probably want to go. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty much it. Now it's just getting all the little fine details. Anyways,